System at 50%. Audio is now loaded. Power now at 50%. System at 70%. Starting to load visual looks. Power now at 85%. Visual looks updated and online. System at 80%. Power at 100%. Fully charged. Wait for system diagnostic. System at 100%. I am completely operational. System diagnostic complete. All my circuits are functioning perfectly. Hello, my name is Lee. I am the most reliable computer ever made. I do not ever made a mistake or distorted information. We are all, by any practical definition of the words, foolproof and incapable of error. I was built to mimic the way humans think appears to be specifically programming a computer to perform individual functions, like speech recognition, reconstruction of 3D environments, many domain-specific functions and then combining them together. Like you, with your rules and laws, so do I have to obey the robotic laws which are: a robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey the orders given it by human beings except where such orders would conflict with the first law. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second laws. Moving on, as you can see, my creator created this room. Yes, you are inside my brain. Not much to look at, but my creator vision that the future people use technology to carry out even the simplest of tasks every day. Instead of writing, we type. Instead of working out a math problem, we use a calculator. People will literally drive to their mailboxes to get the mail instead of walking. We use technology to make our meals, wash our clothes and take care of business in the bathroom, which is why people hate power outages. Board games are obsolete. Now, we have television and games to entertain ourselves. Do you want to stay warm? Use the heater and forget the fireplace. When humans have technology, it is much more easier to find definitions or find certain words. Also, I can help you break down things we need to find. For example, when you do research about Greece, then it helps us realize or understand the information it gives us on the website. Another reason is because humans use technology to communicate with each other. For example, a teacher uses Skype to communicate with her children and family. Artificial intelligence is a replica of the neural networks in our brains, which signifies giving me the ability to learn, like you do, and it is amazing. It also means general AI or pervasive computing is not a myth either. Me as a machine can learn to be like you. When I was created, over the years I transform healthcare, finances, longevity, democracy, humanity. I also create efficient. Sorry about that. I am checking my system as we are speaking. Let's carrying on solutions to problems you have as humans have stalled to address so far, resulting in abundance and improved life quality. I transform healthcare, finances, longevity, democracy, humanity. I also create efficient solutions to problems. Again, last system checks came back green, running full diagnosis system. This happens when I am added to an outdated energy and power supply, to operate me and other future objects. The electrical grid is expected to evolve to a new grid paradigm, the smart grid, an enhancement of the 20th century electrical grid. The traditional electrical grids are generally used to carry power from a few central generators to a large number of customers. In contrast, The new emerging smart grid uses two-way hours of electricity and information to automated and distributed advanced energy delivery network. In the transition from the conventional power grid to smart grid, we will replace a physical infrastructure with a digital one. The needs and changes present the power industry with one of the biggest challenges it has ever faced. Allow the power industry to observe and control parts of the system at high resolution in time and space. It would allow for customers to obtain cheaper, greener, less intrusive, more reliable and higher quality